Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a linguistic journey. From familiar sounds to intriguing melodies of unknown languages, we're diving into the world of human expression. Let's take a whirlwind tour of the alphabet. Get ready to explore languages from A to Z. Buckle up, language enthusiasts, for a fascinating ride. First up, we're tackling the letter A, and it's jam-packed with incredible languages. Take Afrikaans, spoken in South Africa and Namibia. It evolved from Dutch with influences from Malay, Portuguese, and indigenous African languages. And then there's Arabic, with a rich literary tradition. From mosque calligraphy to Rumi's poetry, Arabic has shaped art and culture. And those are just two examples. The letter A also brings us Amharic, Armenian, and countless others, each with its own unique story. Next up, we've got the letter B, and we're kicking things off with Bengali, spoken in Bangladesh and parts of India. Bengali literature boasts Rabindranath Tagore, a Nobel laureate. But hold on, the letter B has more in store. We also have Bosnian, spoken in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnian, Croatian, and Serbian share roots, reflecting the region's history. Now for the letter C, we're diving into the world of Chinese languages, starting with Cantonese. Spoken in southern China and Hong Kong, Cantonese is known for its tonal nature and vibrant use in opera and cinema. And of course, we can't forget Mandarin, the most spoken language globally. From its intricate writing system to its influence on art, cuisine, and philosophy, Mandarin is a cornerstone of global culture. Chapter 4D is for Danish and Dutch. On to the letter D, where we encounter Danish, the language of Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tales. Spoken in Denmark and parts of Greenland, Danish is known for its cozy, hygge vibes. The letter D also brings us Dutch, spoken in the Netherlands, Belgium, Suriname, and the Caribbean. Dutch boasts a rich history of art, philosophy, and exploration. These languages reflect the cultural richness of their regions. Chapter 5E is for English and Esperanto. The letter E brings us to English, a global lingua franca with influences from Latin, French, Germanic languages, and others. But let's not forget Esperanto, a language designed to be universally accessible. While not widely spoken, Esperanto aims to bridge linguistic divides. Chapter 6F is for Filipino and French. F is for Filipino, also known as Tagalog, spoken in the Philippines. Filipino uses po and opo to convey respect, reflecting warmth and hospitality. French, synonymous with romance, cuisine, and art. From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre, French culture captivates the world. Chapter 7, G is for German and Greek. G brings us to German, a language with a rich tradition. From Goethe and Kafka to Bach and Beethoven, German culture has shaped Western thought. And speaking of shaping civilization, we can't forget Greek. The language of philosophy and democracy, Greek has left an indelible mark on history, influencing everything from architecture to politics. Chapter 8H is for Hebrew and Hindi. Hebrew, revived in the 20th century, is now spoken in Israel. Its story is one of resilience and cultural identity. But there's more. Hindi, an official language of India, is spoken by millions. Bollywood showcases the vibrancy of Indian culture. These languages shape cultural identity. Chapter 9. I is for Icelandic and Italian. Icelandic, a language preserving Old Norse traditions, takes us to the land of glaciers and volcanoes. Icelandic sagas reveal a rich literary heritage. Italian, the language of opera, art, and delicious food. From Venice's canals to Rome's Colosseum, Italian culture is a sensory feast. J is for Japanese, known for its complex writing system and rich cultural traditions. From bonsai and calligraphy to cherry blossoms, Japanese culture is full of symbolism. Let's not overlook Javanese, spoken in Indonesia, known for intricate puppetry, gamelan music, and traditional dance. These languages showcase the artistic richness of their regions. K brings us to Korean, a language experiencing a global surge in popularity thanks to K-pop and K-dramas. And let's not forget, delicious Korean food. K is also for Kurdish, spoken by millions across Turkey, Iran, Iraq, and Syria. Kurdish culture is rich in music, dance, and storytelling. L is for Latvian, spoken in Latvia, a country known for its forests, coastline, and rich folklore. Lithuanian, another Baltic language, boasts amber craftsmanship and Vilnius's charming old town. These languages reflect the Baltic region's beauty and heritage. M brings us to Malay, spoken in Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, and parts of Indonesia. Malay culture blends indigenous traditions with influences from China, India, and the Middle East. M also brings us Maltese, spoken on the island nation of Malta. Influenced by Arabic, Italian, and English, Maltese reflects Malta's rich history. These languages showcase cultural diversity and historical influences. O is for Odia, also known as Oriya, spoken in the Indian state of Odisha. Odia culture is known for its vibrant dance forms and magnificent temples. Oromo is spoken in Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia. Oromo culture is rich in oral traditions and music. These languages highlight their region's cultural heritage. P is for Persian, also known as Farsi, spoken in Iran, Afghanistan, and Tajikistan, renowned for its poetry and philosophical works. P also brings us Portuguese, a language that sailed the seas, leaving its mark on Brazil, Angola, and Mozambique. A vibrant blend of European, African, and indigenous influences, reflecting the historical and cultural richness of their regions. Q might seem tricky, but it brings us to Quechua, spoken in the Andes Mountains. The language of the Inca Empire, its legacy lives on in textiles, music, and traditions. R is for Romanian, spoken in Romania and Moldova, known for its folk music, crafts, and Dracula legend. Russian, spoken across Eastern Europe and Asia, famous for literature, ballet, and music. These languages highlight rich cultural contributions. S is for Spanish, a language that dances to the rhythm of salsa and flamenco, spoken across Spain and Latin America. But S also brings us Swahili, spoken across East Africa. Swahili culture blends African, Arab, and Indian influences. These languages showcase cultural diversity and artistic richness. T is for Turkish, spoken in Turkey, a country bridging East and West. Turkish culture blends Ottoman history, Islamic traditions, and modern influences. Thai, spoken in Thailand, is known for its temples, food, and festivals. Thai culture emphasizes respect, hospitality, and joy. These languages highlight their region's cultural richness. U is for Ukrainian, a language spoken in Ukraine, known for its beautiful embroidery and traditional music. And then there's Urdu, spoken in Pakistan and parts of India. Urdu poetry or shayari is renowned for its beauty and depth. These languages showcase the resilience and artistry of their regions. V is for Vietnamese, a language spoken in Vietnam, known for its cuisine and bustling cities. Vietnamese culture is rooted in family, tradition, and natural beauty. Venda, spoken in South Africa and Zimbabwe, is known for beadwork and musical instruments. These languages highlight the cultural richness of their regions. W is for Welsh, a Celtic language spoken in Wales, known for its beautiful singing traditions, dramatic landscapes, and ancient myths. And then there's Wolof, spoken in Senegal, the Gambia, and Mauritania. Wolof culture is known for its vibrant music scene, colorful clothing, and storytelling. X might seem challenging, but it brings us to Xhosa, a language in South Africa, known for its click consonants, clicks made with the tongue. Xhosa culture is rich in oral traditions, music, and dance, reflecting their heritage. Y is for Yiddish, spoken by Jewish communities worldwide, known for its literature, theatre, and humor. Yoruba is spoken in Nigeria, Benin, and Togo, rich in art, music, and spirituality. These languages highlight cultural contributions. We've reached the end of our journey with Zulu, a language in South Africa. Zulu culture is known for its vibrant music, intricate beadwork, and powerful warrior traditions. And And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of languages from A to Z. We've only just scratched the surface. Thousands of languages reflect the diversity of their speakers. Keep exploring, learning, and celebrating linguistic diversity. Like this video if you enjoyed our journey, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep those brains curious, and I'll see you in the next video.